Hello everyone, today I will be swatching Rosalind Gel Polish series for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So here I have one of each Rosalind Gel Polish color shades. First, I will try the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL072. Rosalind shade JL072 is from the Orange series. This series comes with 3 different shades of orange. So I apply the first coat and then I'm gonna do white to orange ombre nails. Ombre nails is one of the easiest nail art that you can do at home. So this is the shade JL072 and it is a very beautiful color and it is perfect for summer. So next is the shade JL030. Rosalind shade JL030 is come from the brown series. This series comes with 12 different shades of brown. So first I'm gonna apply the first coat and then I'm also gonna try to do the white to brown ombre nails. It looks like black on the camera but it is actually a shade of brown. And this is the Rosalind shade JL030. Next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL059. Shade JL059 is from the pink series, and this series comes with 14 different pink color shades, and I apply the first coat and then I'm gonna try to do a white to pink ombre nails. And this is the shade JL059. It is a very pretty pink color. Next is the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL068. Shade JL068 is from the red series. This series comes with 10 different red color shades. So I'm gonna apply the first coat. And this is the shade JL068. I love the color of red. It is very attractive color. Next is the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL109. Shade JL109 is from the purple series. This series comes with 12 different purple color shades. And I'm gonna apply the first coat and I'm gonna try to do the white to purple sequence gel ombre nails. This is called the glitter sequence gel polish. And this is the shade JL109. It is a very pretty combination of sequence colors. Next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL077. Shade JL077 is from the Yellow series. This series comes with 5 different yellow color shades. I'm gonna apply the first coat and then I'm gonna do a white to bronze ombre nails. And this is the shade JL077. It is a very elegant color. Next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL013. Shade JL013 is from the Black series. This gel polish series comes with 5 different black color shades. I'm gonna apply the first coat and I'm gonna do a white to black ombre nails. So this is also a glitter sequence gel, guys. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys know where I got these products and you can check it out. And this is the shade JL013. Next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL087. Shade JL087 is from the green series. This series comes with 10 different green color shades. So I'm gonna apply the first coat and I'm gonna do a white to green glitter ombre nails. And this is the shade JL087. I love how pretty the green is. It is so fresh on the eyes. Next is the Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL144. Shade JL144 comes from the Luminous series. This gel polish series comes with 15 different colors of luminous gel polish. So I'm gonna apply first coat and then cure. Rosalind Gel Polish shade JL144 turns blue color in the dark. And this is the shade JL144. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.